Your email from your Wilkin and Gutton Plan Advisor contains the link to the New Jersey Division of Taxation website. Please click on the link to be taken directly to their New Jersey Pass-Through Business Alternative Income Tax online filing and payments portal. From here, you will have two options to log on: taxpayer ID number and password, or taxpayer ID number and official business name. Please note that your taxpayer ID number will be the EIN of the business to which you are making the New Jersey BATE election, followed by 3 zeros. Once you log on, you will be brought to the processing center, where you will be given an array of options regarding New Jersey BATE. For purposes of your New Jersey BATE election, please select the PTE election form under the miscellaneous section. Following that, please select from the dropdown the business's annual return period dates. For calendar year businesses, this will be January 1st, 2020 through December 31st, 2020. For fiscal year taxpayers, select the correct beginning and ending months, days, and years. The ending period date should be during 2021. For example, for fiscal year taxpayers with a March year end, the correct annual return period dates to select are April 1st, 2020 through March 31st, 2021. Once you fulfill this request, please click Submit. From here, you will be taken to your election form, where you will need to fill in the requested criteria. Please note that the general information, for example, taxpayer identification number, name of the taxpayer, and the address for the business, will all be automatically populated based on your login credentials. The areas that will need your attention include the following: contact information, entity type, and signature information. From here, you'll be taken to a review page. Please note that this page is for review purposes only. At this point, you have not submitted your election form. Upon review of the election form, please select Submit Election Form. From here, you will be taken to your confirmation page. Please print and email to your WG tax advisor for proof of timely election for business tax filing purposes.